Wow! 3, 2, 1!
First, I start by making some wavy lines and filling them in with vibrant colors using my brush pens. Now I'm writing beautiful in a lovely script with my brush pens. This adds a personal and inspiring touch to our bookmark. Time to decorate. I'm using glitter pens to add some sparkle and shine to our design. Just a few touches here and there to make it stand out. Giving it some final touches and it's done. A beautiful and unique bookmark ready to use or gift to someone special. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with more creative content. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.